From September 12 to 14, 2023, the 2023 TCT Asia 3D Printing and Additive Manufacturing Show was held in Shanghai. As the world's leading 3D printing and additive manufacturing event, TCT focuses on the application of additive manufacturing in various industries, with many manufacturers and visitors participating every year. Let's see and experience the transformative power of 3D printing at the event. At this event, we saw many advanced 3D printing technologies, cool printed models, and there were lots of fun games. Let's see more interesting things there. Follow us and see you next time.